All right, I am back. Listen, my name is Julbert, and if you're network marketing, direct sales, MLM, this is the most important video you'll watch this year. All right, and I'm serious about that. I was network marketing for years, so I'm very familiar with the front model. And today I'm going to show you how to actually run your entire network marketing business inside one platform. Go HighLevel. Even if your team got multiple products or lots of new reps joining every single month, you know what that means? No more chasing leads. No more, hey, did you watch the video? Right? No more manually onboarding every single new reps that's coming in. No more messy Google Docs. Ah, where can I find this doc? Oh, where's this one? No more Facebook Messenger chaos. All right. Everything in one platform. Let's HighLevel run your business like, the CEO that you're supposed to be, not a babysitter. Right. And I'm being real with this. So, and if you want more than that normal 14-day trial from HighLevel, because of my partnership, I have a 30-day trial. Grab the link and be able to take advantage of that. Plus, you get a free strategy call with our team to help you put the right people in place to automate everything. All right. So let's jump right in. Network marketing isn't a product business. And this is my opinion, right? I think it's a people system oriented business. And guess what? The people who struggle, they're missing one thing, in my opinion: duplication. It is very hard to duplicate yourself. So I believe HighLevel helps you fix that, because once your system is built, your team get trained automatically, new reps get welcome automatically, your leads get follow up automatically. That to me is huge. Product education is delivered automatically. Expired leads, meaning people that ghosted you, able to get reactivated automatically. Your contents get repurposed automatically so you can really educate and market what you offer, and you stay as the face, right? And you have a machine in the back end helping you run this whole thing. And if you're using HighLevel correctly, you can automate all three of these in your business. So let's talk about system number one, right? Lead attraction plus follow up machine. Okay. Now, I want you to write this down. Here's the workflow, right? You have a prospect or potential member opt-in for your lead magnet funnel, free training, quiz. Number two, HighLevel, send them an instant text, so that instant follow-up. They get a follow-up email sequence as well. They get invited to watch your presentation or your upline presentation. They could automatically book a call or reply with questions, right? All without you manually doing anything. This is automatically being done. Your follow up is now consistent, which beats 99% of network marketers out there, because you can consistently have the machine follow up. It doesn't take sleeps, it doesn't go to sleeps, it doesn't get holidays, it doesn't forget, right? System number two, automate team onboarding, right? You have a new rep that's super excited. They just signed up for your team. Most upline, what they'll do when I was in it, they'll send you a long text, a PDF, some YouTube links, and said, "Let me know if you have any questions." Right? But that's so 2010, 2012. Now with a tool like HighLevel, you can automate that whole process. Rep join, boom, welcome text sent out, training video automatically sent, product scripts and DM scripts, compliance guideline, right? Weekly call links, boom, added to the calendar, accountability check-in. Best part is 24/7 without you repeating yourself over and over and over again. All right. System number three, product education and customer retention engine. Think about this. You have a machine, right? This is where most reps lose money. Okay, so let's talk about this, because you sell once, right? And then you got to chase the person and get the next person, maybe spend a bunch of time at Starbucks. But with HighLevel, every customer gets automatically drip education on the product milestone check-ins, right? They get reorder reminders. Hey, your bottle's over. Do you want to reorder again? Automatic text, right, that goes out. Referral requests. Hey, do you know anybody else that can use this? Customer buys once. That's good, right? customer buys once every month for 12 months, stability, predictability. I'll give you an example, right? A gentleman, I'm not gonna mention his company. Name is Lee. He got over 100 people in his downline. Before he started using the system, 80% of leads would never follow up. Everyone used different scripts. New reps were overwhelmed. Nobody knew what to do next, right? He's great at recruiting, but bad at really keeping the team together. Guess what? Retention was random, right? He couldn't find the leaders. There's no system for them to duplicate. With the high level team, all team onboarding became automated. Everybody get the same thing. All leads get at least a 12 to 15-day follow-ups. Customer reorder increased by 3.4%, 3.4 times, right? Automatic 24 hours. Team duplication went from, okay, we hope to actually having a system. No extra hustles, just organization plus automation, right? Everyone else in network marketing, they're still spamming everybody, chasing leads, cold messaging, friending people on Facebook, right? You don't have to do that. So I want to give you some game. Okay. Here's I'm gonna give you a couple secret strategy. Number one, automate your dream team recruiting funnel. So what do I mean by that? All right. Here's how this works. You create a quiz or short assessment funnel, right? Something like, are you wired to a six-figure side business? Okay. They see it maybe on Facebook or posts on ads. They fill out a form. High level automatically categorize them inside the CRM system, right? Categorize their answer. Start different follow up based on their personality. Invite them to your team overview or webinar. Book a call with the hot ones. You jump on a call, three-way it with your upline. Boom, you close, right? You stop pushing. You screen for the right people faster, and it's automated. I'm gonna give you a second one. Okay, this is what we call like a silent coach. It's like you could automate like a whole accountability system, right? Think about it. I was in upline. I had a team of over 200. Most upline to motivate, disappear, and repeat. Instead of automate this, you can literally set up text automation that check in for weekly progress. Hey, how's thing going? Right? Set up a reminder. Hey, don't forget our meeting on Saturday. You got this. This is your first sale. Congratulations. Time for your next rank. Let's get this done. Right? Don't forget your training plans. Right? Remember your goals this month. You want to make X amount of dollars. Right? It's like having a digital assistant coach that never sleeps, forgets, or burn out. And yes, you can run it for an entire team without ever logging in yourself. Crazy, right? Think about this. Once the system is built, you can hire virtual assistants that becomes insanely effective helping you run this system. You can have a virtual assistant managing your DMs. You can have a virtual assistant managing your pipeline, right? The same person managing DM, managing pipeline, helping with the onboarding process. You can have one updating customer records, right? You can have one sending out promo messages. You can have one setting up this whole system and managing it for you, right? High levels running, automation, follow-ups, trainings, communication, retention, retention, big one. This is how you grow your network marketing business. Okay, so let's do a quick recap, right? Using a tool like High Level, you can run your entire network marketing business from automating your leads, right? So you have quality leads that come in, uh, automating your onboarding for new reps that's coming in. You have automation for your customer follow up to make sure they keep buying, right? You have a system of retention for your reps so they feel like they're learning, they're educating, you can keep them accountable, and you can actually scale because you can have 100, 200, 500, 1,000 people in there while you still the voice, not the admin department, right? So I'm going to give you a free gift for attending this video, for watching it. Thank you so much, right? First thing first, you get a 30-day free trial of High Level. Not the normal 14 days. Click the link in the comments or the links below. Grab that right away. And you get a free strategy call with our team where we can help you automate your follow-up, onboard new reps, right? Give you a VA that handles the whole high-level system so they can set up all these things we talked about. and you could just get this machine up and running. All right. So take advantage of the free trial. If you want to do it yourself, book a call and let's help you build this automation engine that can help you scale your network marketing business. So click the link below and I can't wait to see you inside. Cheers.